If you have a ZV-E1 and you're wanting to get a cage, this is the one to go with. I believe that the NEEWER cage for the ZV-E1 is the way to go because it already has the Arca system here attached. It has also more attachments here that you can slide accessories, and the same here. So you don't have to get extra plates or things to add on to this. Is already ready to go. So it's very ergonomic, and you can directly attach it onto the tripods and do a quick release with this small rig system, and it's good to go. Super quick to use. It's perfect.